Good morning, students. In this video I will explain you that what are present continuous sentences and how can you convert these kind of sentences into negative and interrogative form. First of all, present continuous sentences are the sentences which are used to express an action that is taking place at the time of speaking. When you are speaking the sentence, the action is still taking place. They are called the present continuous sentences, and these kind of sentences has a subject is MR plus ing form of verb. When I was teaching the three form of verb, I taught you the fourth form of verb also, that was ing form. In this ing form of verb is used plus the object is there. For example, she is writing a letter, he is singing a song, we are dancing. These are the present continuous form of sentences. When we convert these kind of sentences into negative form, we add not after the helping verbs. Then the rule is subject is MR plus not, first the ing form of verb and the object. She is writing a letter, she is not writing a letter. We added not after the helping verb is. Now, how do we convert these kind of sentences into interrogative form? Interrogative means again question. You need to remember the helping verbs that are present in the present continuous sentences, that are is, am and are. When you convert these sentences into interrogative, you start the sentence with the helping verb that is present in the sentence. She is writing a letter. When you convert into interrogative, is will come in the beginning. Is she writing a letter? Right? And if you make interrogative sentence of a negative sentence, then is she not writing a letter? The sentence was she is writing a letter. You can see is the helping verb. When you convert this into negative, you add not here, she is not writing a letter, and when you change the same sentence into interrogative form, you bring is at the beginning and the sentence becomes is she writing a letter? Question mark. When the sentence is interrogative, we need to add question mark at the end of sentences. Okay. If you make interrogative of a positive sentence, then simply carry is in the beginning, and when you make the interrogative sentence of a negative sentence, you carry is and the same sentence remain as it is. Right? You need to remember the helping verbs. Only helping verbs are removed and started with it. The sentence begins with the helping verb. Now here are the rules. We use am with I and we use are with plural subjects. When we talk about more than one people, one thing, we use are with them. We are singing, they are dancing, right? And when the subject is singular, he, she, it, or the name of a person, or talking about one person, place, thing, we use is. Right? These are the rules. Singular subject is, we use am with I and are with the plural subjects. And when we make the same sentences interrogative, when we convert them into interrogative, you see, helping verbs come at the beginning. In all the sentences, helping verb come at the beginning, right? These are the ing form. How to make? We add ing with the base form of verb. These are some rules to convert the verb into ing form. That how can we convert the verbs into ing form? Now the third type of sentences are present perfect tense. What are present perfect tense sentences? The present perfect is used to indicate a link between present and past. right? In these kind of sentences we use has, have plus third form of verb. Again I am talking about the three form of verbs. I have already taught the three forms. We use has or have plus third form of verb. Has is used with singular subjects and have is used with the plural subject. She is singular, she has. Third form of write is written. She has written a letter. Okay. They have written a letter. When you will write here they, you will use have plus third form of verb. They have written, they have done, right? These are the rules. When we convert these kind of sentences into negative form, we add not after has or have. सेंटेंस में हैज़ हैव जहाँ पर है उसके बाद नॉट लगा के वी राइट द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड द सेंटेंस कन्वर्ट्स इनटू नेगेटिव फॉर्म. सी फॉर एग्जांपल, शी हैज़ रिटन अ लेटर, शी हैज़ नॉट रिटन अ लेटर, राइट? Now how to convert these kind of sentences into interrogative form? Again you need to remember has or have are the helping verbs, and when you convert these kind of sentences into interrogative, you start the sentence with the helping verb, right? If the sentence contains has, you will start the sentence with has. If the sentence contains have, you will start the sentence with have. Now our sentence was she has written a letter. When we convert this into interrogative, it will become has she written a letter? Question mark. That is compulsory, right? And if you change the negative sentence into interrogative, it will become has she not written a letter? So these are some rules to convert the sentences from positive to negative and interrogative. Students, hope you all have understood, students. Now you can do the exercises related to this. Good day all.